Wonderful good day, ladies and gentlemen, to the Mining Newsflash on Commodity TV. Today with Fury Gold Mines, Consolidated Uranium, Sibanye-Stillwater, Denarius Metals and Caledonia Mining. Fury Gold Mines announced that Dolly Varden shareholders voted overwhelmingly with 98.8% to approve the previously reported $50 million acquisition of Fury's Homestake rich gold-silver project and the resulting creation of a new control person of Dolly Varden, namely Fury, at the special meeting of Dolly Varden shareholders. This should move both companies forward, and we see this very positive for Fury. Consolidated Uranium and Labrador Uranium completed the previously announced spin-off of Labrador Uranium called LOR through a plan of arrangement with an effective date of 22nd February 2022. Under the terms of the arrangement, CUR transferred ownership of the Moron Lake project in Labrador to LUR in exchange for 16 million common shares of LUR, and LUR assumed CUR's obligations under the original option agreement for the Moron Lake project to make certain future payments contingent upon the achievement of certain milestones. These are the original option agreement for the Moron Lake project, certain future payments to the vendor contingent upon the achievement of certain milestones tied to the uranium spot price, and the royalty agreement between CUR and the vendor, granting the vendor a 1.5% net smelter return royalty on the sale of mineral products extracted or derived from the Moron Lake project, called the Moron Lake royalty. CUR reserved the right to acquire 0.5% of the Moron Lake royalty for $500,000 back. CUR will distribute the 16 million LUR shares to its shareholders on a pro rata basis such that CUR shareholders will receive approximately 0.215 LUR shares for each CUR share held on the record date. In addition, Labrador Uranium has completed the previously announced acquisition of a 100% interest in the Central Mineral Belt Uranium Copper Project, the CMB project, and the Notok-Wannon project in Labrador from Altius Resources, a wholly owned subsidiary of Altius Minerals. In consideration for the Altius projects, Labrador Uranium issued 8 million LUR shares to Altius and granted them a 2% gross royalty on the Altius projects. Great deal, and CUR can fully focus on the US now. Sibanye-Stillwater was able to ratify a new collective agreement with the United Steelworkers International Union for its East Boulder mine in Montana in the USA, which runs from 16th February this year to 31st July 2024. The contract covers a wide range of terms, including average annual wage increases of 2.5% this year, 3% next year, and 3% in 2024. In addition to the base increase in this year, an increase in benefits and incentives has been agreed, which will result in an effective average increase of 5.4% if all safety and quality targets are fully met in 2022. This agreement represents an average annual increase of 3.8% over the next 3 years, which compares favorably to US inflation rates. That makes it predictable for the company, and you have peace of mind on the pay front. Very good for Sibanye-Stillwater, and the shares really moved the last days. Denarius Metals announced additional drill results from the ongoing drill program from the polymetallic Lomero-Poyatos project in Spain. A top result showed 2.5% copper, 0.65% lead, 3.28% zinc, almost 50 grams silver, and over 6 grams gold per ton over 6.85 meters. In total, they reported complete assay results for 4 additional holes totaling 1,289 meters from the ongoing surface diamond drilling program. Denarius has drilled approximately 8,600 meters in 28 holes, representing 36% of the original program, with 2 additional holes in progress. The current drill data increases confidence in the geological model created based on validated data from previous drill campaigns, and the additional infill drill results confirm that the massive and semi-massive sulfide zones at Lomero-Poyatos are significantly enriched in gold, and confirm the thickness and grades of selected drill holes. Drilling to date has tested an area within this known VMS deposit that extends over 1,000 meters along strike and 190 meters deep. All holes drilled to date have intersected massive sulfide mineralization. A third drill rig is being deployed to accelerate the ongoing drill program and to enable an updated 43-101 compliant mineral resource estimate and scoping study to be completed by the third quarter of this year. Wow, this is getting close to production preparation. It looks like Denarius Metals is doing great and the stock is undervalued. Caledonia Mining was able to secure a hedge contract at zero cost to hedge approximately 25% of the targeted 2022 gold production at blanket via a cap and collar hedge contract for 20,000 ounces gold over a 5-month period from March to July 2022. The hedge contract has a cap of $1,940 and a collar of $1,825, meaning that Caledonia will receive an effective gold price per ounce between $1,825 and $1,940 for the 4,000 ounces gold per month for the period, and an effective gold spot price between these two values. This is a hedge against surprises when ramping up increased production. As a shareholder, I very much welcome this safety strategy and the quarterly dividends, of course. I am a shareholder in all companies. Please note the disclaimer superimposed. The stocks discussed are or may become part of the SRC Mining Special Situations Certificate. Thanks for watching us, and for today, bye-bye from Austria.